Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the new and exciting update from Axie Infinity, which is the fact that Binance has integrated the Ronin network. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future content like this. So great news for Axie fanatics because Binance has recently integrated the Ronin network, which means that players can now deposit and withdraw AXS and SLP without having to pay insane gas fees. This announcement was made on their official Discord, as you can see right here, on the 2nd of this month, so 2 days ago. This means that very soon you will be able to send AXS and SLP directly from your Ronin wallet to a Binance-controlled Ronin wallet, and then the funds will show up in your Binance account. Withdrawings for the Ronin network will be available on the 4th of this month, which means starting today. One thing I would like to mention is that I would suggest you guys to try out this new feature with a small amount of SLP and AXS at first, just in case something goes wrong so you won't end up with a big loss. One more thing I would like to mention is that in case you guys are not really familiar with the game, or maybe you're just new at it, you will have to first claim your SLP before being able to send them from your Ronin wallet to your Binance account. In order to do that, you will have to go to your Axie account, click on the My Account section on the top right corner of the page, look for the Claim Token section where you will find the Claim SLP button. You will then have to click on it and a pop-up notification from your Ronin wallet will appear with the transaction's details. You will see that there are 0 fees, which is amazing because there used to be fees in the past, even above $20, which is kind of a lot, and all you have to do next is confirm and wait for the transaction to be completed. It should take around a minute, and then your SLP will be in your Ronin wallet, ready to be sent to Binance. And now I want to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to transfer or deposit your SLP from your Ronin wallet to your Binance account. Okay, so we are on Binance now, and the first thing we need to do to transfer our SLP is go to Wallet and click on Fiat and Spot. And it will take us to this page where we will have to look for SLP, which is this one, Smooth Love Potion, not Small Love Potion. This one, the first one, and then we will have to click on Deposit. As you can see, SLP was selected automatically. Then we go to Network and select RON, which stands for Ronin. If you are transferring your asset from your Ronin wallet, please replace the address prefix from 0x to Ronin colon. So we need to replace the beginning of this address. So instead of 0x, we have to write Ronin colon. We will copy the address, go to our Ronin wallet, click on Send. We will paste the address on here, and just like Binance told us, we have to delete the 0x and replace it with Ronin column. Click on the asset we want to transfer, which is SLP in our case. We have 946 SLP. We're going to transfer all of them. And here we're going to enter the amount, 946. We're just going to double check really quick. 946. Okay, the address is right. And we're just going to click on Next. As you can see, the transaction fee is completely free. So all we have to do now is click Confirm and just wait for the transaction to be completed. And that's about it. If you click on Activities, you can see the transaction is pending. So this only took a couple of seconds, which I'm pleasantly surprised about. It says that the transaction was a success. And also, if we go to my Binance notifications, we can also see that I have received my 946 SLP. That's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I will check every single comment. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.